Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is March 18th, Tuesday. So what's going on today? Well, we just had the 8:30 numbers. Canada had some pretty ugly numbers. Their CPI was up. Their modified CPIs were all up as well. The core was up as well. So prices are going up in Canada. Um, could be because of tariffs, possibly. Building permits were about as expected. Housing starts were slightly better than expected. And guess what? U.S. import prices were way up. Expected to be down. The differential there is 0.5%. So we got 0.5% increase in import prices. And guess what? Very few of the imports or the tariffs have actually taken place. And so we're getting, I think this is anticipatory price rising. We'll wait and see. We need to watch this number over the next, foreseeable future, see if that really goes up. 9:15, we've got capacity utilization rate and industrial production for the U.S., and that is it for this Tuesday. Looking at the charts. So 2 days up. Now we're gapping down a little bit. Not surprising. Remember, the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. It's very plausible this could go up and give us a third day up. That being said, you can go back and look. 2 days up, it does a waltz thing. 2 days up, 1 day back, 2 days up, 1 day back. So who knows? But at least we are moving upwards and we're not going down. That being said, where could we go? Well, I think the bottom side of this box here, that high volume node right there at 58.23 is probably the top side. Bottom side is probably these two lows. So we're kind of going to be in a range for a few days. Now, one thing I want to point out that's really important is you see the volume from yesterday. It looks like it was only 800,000 contracts. So normally you'd go, ooh, what's going on? That's really low volume. Okay, but that is not exactly the whole picture because this is rollover week, so you've still got people trading the March contract. So you'd have to take the March contract plus the June contract to get the actual volume of the S&P futures. So this is not as concerning as it looks. During rollover week, you will have this happen where tomorrow or today, there'll actually be more volume today. Wednesday, there'll be more volume. Thursday, there'll be more volume. Friday, there'll be more volume as people switch from the March contract to the June contract, which expires this coming Friday. So there's your volume lesson for today. Moving on, overnight action and inventory. Or I should say inventory from yesterday. We had good price action to the upside, good inventory correlated. Markets are functioning as they should. Overnight action, got ahead of myself there. Overnight action, we've got approximately 33 points, which is actually very low compared to what we've been seeing. So volatility may be constricting just a bit. Where do we have resistance? Resistance we've got at 57.55, 57.74. Then you get up in here, and there's lots of resistance, lots of levels. I'm going to round that to 57.80, 57.90, 5800. Lots of resistance up higher. On the support side, we've got a little bit of confluence around 56.81, 56.60, 56.50. Nice confluence around 56.38. There's your numbers for today. Stock Trader's Almanac is 66.7. So a slight positive bias for today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.